Okay, if this doesn't have an effect, okay. Yeah, this works like it's supposed to work. Interesting effect, huh? No. Times if I do this 20 times. And it look cool without this where's the background? Stroke rate 1. I'm gonna say 0. Ah, this doesn't do anything. Draw state, stroke rate 0. So I would need to modify the stroke rate of this guy, I think. Whatever. Yeah, that's. I don't know, there's nothing about this. I find this. I mean, this is fascinating. Come on, this is fascinating. Well, now they're basically random because they don't see anything. They just go ahead, you know, and bounce off the wall. Yeah, but then they find the light. They are impressed. Wow, it's so. They all did this at the same time. I feel like roughly at the same time. I guess with a Gauss curve, they all did the same thing. This is amazing. So basically, I'm fascinated by the concept of having this many times, like that. Basically, from the many numbers, I would get like some new properties. That's one of the things I'm fascinated about. It feels like some kind of. It feels like some physical thing, like as if there's some magnet or force field or something like that here and something. And yeah, basically there's like force, that's how it feels, that there's a force that I can use. Oh my god. What the hell? Wow, that's... oh my god, this is so fun. Wait, how do I get this full screen? Wait, how does... will this work? Wait, I think this will maybe not work. So yeah, of course not. It's not inside the Quil context. Nil? Maybe they interpret this as full screen? No. Oh wait, that's my bug though. Sketch. Oh wait, does this even come from? Height? Size? Size? Nil? No, invalid dimensions. Can you say what the dimensions are? Dimensions. Size, full screen. A vector of width and height or full screen. Yes, that's what I want. Okay. checking this here right now. Okay, that's, so it only, why does it, okay, let me get this full screen. Okay. Yeah, it needs a moment to find its dynamic, and then it falls into some kind of stable dynamic, of course, kind of. They have a certain range that they fall into, and this is kind of random. There's like certain things that are basically Gaussian random. It's the amount of motor force here or something is kind of, wow, that's funny. I know you think, what is this thing up here? What if I can do something with this thing? What would it do? It changes the color of all these guys. Let me quickly do this. This guy, right? On click map. Oops. Entity set key. State update. Update in state entity. Wait, I have a function called update ends. That takes, I think, a function with entities. Yeah, probably. A function of, a function of update was entity s. Yeah, of course. Sometimes you want to update all entities or something. Yeah. So this is ends. Okay. So now map ends. Update was, right? Yeah. Wait. Update was. This is a function that takes one. What am I talking about? Jesus. End. Okay. If body, so this works, I think. Body, can I quickly? He's not even, wait, I think he needs to be draggable or something in order to be clickable too. Ah, there's an error. Well, that's great. I'm making progress. Oh, that's... So the empty space, oh Jesus. This just doesn't work in multiple ways right now. No, not an entity. Okay, that's because if not body ends, that's probably just wrong. Here's something that is not an entity. Surely I'm doing this wrong. I understand. It thinks that it was an entity. Okay. Click this guy up here, and then oops. Then it doesn't do anything. I wanted the state. Okay. Same thing. I think basically there are entities called body. Yeah. Okay. This works out right. Okay, if not body entity else, update the color of the guy. That is, say, update. Maybe I'm gonna choose a single color for all the guys. Rand, env, devs, color map, bars, back. Yeah, okay. Like this. Asok, color, okay. If not body end as update the color to color, okay. Yeah, okay. The colors are not so crazy. I feel like this will be, oh, this is crazy. I feel like something should happen, I don't know, something should happen. There should be a circle here now or something like that. Basically they should decide to have a neighbor, and then they should basically stick together as neighbors or something. And then the circle would sort of emerge or something. I feel like this should happen. Oh my god. Oh, programming is just such a joy. Append entities. Update functions. Let me think that there's an update function. Finds neighbors. Okay, this is going to become so fucking ghetto. The first version here right now. Okay, this is similar to this infected stuff that I did. Entities, state, filter, let bodies, shuffle, that's cool. In Clojure you can, it's the same as saying env0, env1 with the destructuring. Okay, so A and B, so now they, but I mean this is retarded. I kind of need to sort for how distant they are. Okay, I'm just gonna do something really random. Okay, update say now S append entities. Okay, now I make a new connection line. Connection BZR line. Yeah, I bet this will turn out great. Doesn't this need a color? I guess it takes the color of. Yeah, it takes the color of the entity A. Okay. Update. Not that often. That I don't see any lines. I don't see any connection lines. Update funds. Why am I thinking that this works? Update funds. Wait, this is not how state works. One sec. Update functions. Update functions on update map. On update map. Is this for entities? Ah, this is for entities. Update state, update functions. On update filter entities on update. How do I update on state? How do I update state? Update state, inner update, events, update functions, update state, update functions. Yes. Now we're starting to hone in here. How does this work? Update functions, update. This one is the one that I wanted after basically coming up. Entity, this is for each entity though. Hey, where's this stuff then? Okay, wait. I know how to find it out by finding an example where I do it. I'm sure I do it here. Or a certain on update map entity. On update map. State on update map. Okay. No. That's a scam. Now there's an error, wrong number of arcs into this function. Yeah, probably just takes a second now. No, there's another error. Bezier line. Bezier line is numerous. Draw entities, Bezier line is not. That's so lame. Entities, Bezier line. Make a connection line. I need to say what Bezier line is. That's just. What does it say? Object Bezier, because Bezier line is what? So there's here this. Yes. 1 sec. I have used this function in here, and I guess Bezier line, rand Bezier. Okay. Let me. Well, I'm just gonna give it a default, so the user can still update Bezier line, rand Bezier. No. I'm guessing that, wait, which line? Yeah, this needs to be up here somewhere. Maybe it should be in a different file. Okay, something doesn't work. With Struck. I butchered it, I guess. Okay, clear this. Yeah. But I mean, yeah. Okay, now it makes like a network, and then it's sort of fully connected, and then that's the end. This is of course a little bit, yeah, there's not so much Bezier line. Okay, merge, lifetime, Q, random Gauss, lib random Gauss, lib Gauss, I didn't have a function, normal mean, I guess something. So yeah, if you make a Gaussian distribution, you immediately get something more organic. This is quite fascinating. Yeah, now they kind of shoot a line every now and then. Maybe they should change color when it happens or something. I feel like the thing in the middle should... I feel like this... Maybe this should fly around here and do this. Yeah, this should fly around like some kind of planet. Here, like this. This is what I want. I don't think I have sort of... that's... wait, but I can... yeah, I know kind of... commit. Actually, I have something similar. I have something similar. Yeah, exactly here. I have this sensory field here. I can show you. Here, I think. Here. Yeah, here they basically they fly around and then they are pulled. So it's kind of similar. So sensory field entities. So where do they fly? Orient towards acceleration. Here this happens. Okay. Let's try. So where's the circle? Here. I guess yeah, back to. What happens if we do it? It opens. Doesn't really open in the spot that I wanted to open. Also, it's correct full screen, so yeah, it doesn't really interact with Stump WM so nicely. I can set this for the moment to something. Okay. I wanted to have this like on the screen while I program, just so it's not this boring. Yeah. So I want this circle to be pulled. But I wanted to have a natural tendency to fly for some reason. And maybe that can just be the Brownian motion. So where's this little circle? here. Okay, so it's gonna be particle. And then oh, that was what the hell? Okay, I go back to full screen, I think. Ah, there it is. It just flies around very fast. Oh yeah. Whoa. So yeah, it makes this typical Brownian motion kind of thing. It looks as if it's not random, but it's random in some way, but then to the human mind it looks like it basically has phases of moving and phases of not moving. But I guess maybe that's how randomness works, I guess. Okay, so that's this thing moving randomly. And I'm gonna... It's quite green. What other color do I have? I love this heliotrope. This is my favorite color. Okay, I can't help myself. I need to do it 10 times. I'm a fan of doing things more than once. Okay, map cut. Identity. Doesn't work. Repeatedly map cut identity, append entities. It's wrong. The fuck? What? Append entities is not valid. This is not a valid entity. What is not a valid entity? Map cut identity function. What the fuck? It's really so obvious when I realize what this is. You can't do this because of the Quil context. What? Oh, huh? That's strange. What is not an entity? Oops. Why do I say map cut identity? It was just... That's wrong. In this case, I actually have a sequence of entities. Okay. No, I do it 20 times. Oh, that will be massive. Hey, who's... That was more confusing than helpful. Okay, I'm gonna spawn them. just in the center. I think I have a function for this. Okay. Oh man. 1 sec. Just go here. Okay. Okay, now they have angular acceleration. How does this work? So this makes them rotate. They need torque or something like that. I feel like there's like there's a name for this. I want them to basically fly like in a solar system around the sky, so that basically I need gravity implementation, I think, for this. So this is a force that, so gravity is a force that, gravity is a force between two objects where it also has to do with the mass, and this guy, and they basically accelerate towards each other with the masks. Yeah, something like that. And then if I have gravity, I get this solar system stuff out of that, I guess. Yeah, I guess I need. Okay, or can I quickly cheat something? Basically, okay, I want to have a force that basically says that. What the hell? This fucking trippy way.